And this one is for me, guys. Yes. Hello everyone. Today, guys, is Wednesday. I don't know the date. Wait. 25th March 2020, guys, and we are at the middle of the week, so we did grocery. Yes, guys, this morning I asked the greengrocers to bring us the fruits and vegetables, and then I ordered also from the butcher shop, and my husband went to the supermarket to buy the things that we need. Yes, so I will show you guys. So let's start from here. So we have these wet wipes for Lakota. We also have 3 kilos of rice, and this one is for me, guys. Yes, Evax. We have 4 liters of milk. They still have milk, but I asked my husband to buy. Yes, these are full cream milk, guys. And I still have rice milk, but I asked him to buy as well. So I have 4 liters, and my husband needed also this one blade, guys. This one is dishwashing liquid. Yes, for the dishwasher. And this one, guys, is vitamin D3, because we all know that because of this quarantine, guys, so we are going to take this one, guys, vitamin D3. Yes, and we also have 8 of these, guys, gelatin, but Lakota ate 1 already. We still have yogurt, but I asked my husband to buy also 4 more. And as we love baking, so I asked him to buy this baking powder as well. And this one, guys, because we are now making our bread, because we cannot go out and buy bread every day. Yes, Chicha. Hi, Lakota. Lakota is here. She's saying Chicha. Yes, that's longanisa. Yes. Yes, Lakota, do you like it? Yes, guys. So we are now making our own bread. Yeah. As I've said that we cannot go out and buy bread every morning, every day. Yes. And we also have these goat cheese, 2 of these goat cheese. Yes, 2 packs, and 2 of these longanisa as well, and lentils, 2 lentils, and 3 of these, guys, fried rice delight. And we also have these peeled prawns, small one, medium size it says, but just like they are so small, as you can see that. Yes. We also have Nothea, and this is coffee for me. I drink this one, or sometimes the machine. And we also have this beet, guys, for salad. So, guys, these are the vegetables and fruits that we ask for. So we have these packet, guys, of herbs for soup. We also have 3 of these red peppers, 1 kilo of onions, 2 kilos, guys, of tomatoes, and 1 kilo of I think this is 2 kilo, guys, 2 kilos of French beans or Baguio beans, and 1 kilo of strawberries, and 1 kilo of cherry tomatoes, and broccolis, eggplants, 3 eggplants. We also have, guys, these mushrooms, so yummy mushrooms, 3 kilos of oranges, bananas, but hindi pa siya hinog, not ripe yet, and 3 garlics, and 2 of these, guys, of spinach. As you can see, so fresh, so yummy. artichokes. We have artichokes, guys. Look at that. Yummy artichokes. 2 kilos of potatoes and pears, apples, Fuji apples, cabbage, guys, as you can see, so beautiful cabbage, and pineapple, Del Monte pineapple. Yes. Okay, guys, so let's go to the meat. So this one, guys, is pork ribs and 1 whole chicken because I want to make lechon manok, guys. Yes. So yan. And we also have these chicken thighs kasi gusto kong mag-adobo, guys. So this one, we also have rabbit. We also have chorizo, guys, for our lentils, and 1 kilo of ground meat, guys, mixed. This one, half beef and half pork. And we also have this fresh longanisa, and this one is a kilo of beef steak, guys, pero ang laki niya, it's so big. And 10 slices of this bacon, fresh bacon, guys. Ang sarap niya, diba? So let's all keep this one, guys, to the freezer. I don't like the packaging, but oh my gosh, what can I do? This is what they put the food, the meat. I'm going to keep in the fridge, guys. The things that we're not going to use. And I also forgot, guys, to show you that I asked for 3 dozens of egg because ang hirap na, guys, maghanap ng egg dito, kaya I asked them to bring us 3 dozens of egg. Ayan. And ito din pala, guys, I bought this from the butcher shop, guys. I ordered this one. This one is pimenton, is red peppers, sweet red peppers. Yes, and this one is for coloring. Kasi, guys, wala akong anato dito. So, I'm going to try this one para magkaroon naman ng kulay ang aking gagawin na ladit. Yes, so these are the things that I am using, guys, for ladit or pansit molo o pansit luglog. Yes, guys, so those are the things that we purchased for today. So yun lang, guys, that is good for 1 week, but I think the meat is more than 1 week because we eat a little lang siya, guys, yung meat na kinakain na namin ngayon, and I mix with vegetables like that, so we are not eating that so much meat na, guys. Yes, so yun lang, guys, ang mga pinamili namin.